Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to create your own recipes in Cookidoo on your Thermomix TM6. For that, you'll need to use the Cookidoo website or the Cookidoo app, and then you can create your own recipe on either of these, so the website or the app. So I'll move to my computer. It will be better visible on the computer, but it will work exactly the same in the app. You basically need to go to the Cookidoo website, go to My Recipes, and now you can go to Created Recipe and click on Plus. Now you can import a recipe from a link. But this video is not about importing recipes. This video is about creating them. So let's create one, and you can watch a video on how to import one if you'd like from community created recipes from some community website. Now let's name this recipe. I'll just do like a simple tomato sauce. Let's create it. Now you can upload an image if you like, but it's of course additional. You can additionally add the preparation time, the total time, and the amount of portions. Let's do the preparation time. It's going to be about 10 minutes. The total time is also going to maybe let's do 15. Now you can add ingredients and the preparation steps. You can add tips and select on which devices it is possible to make. In my case, it's possible to make on all the 3 latest Thermomix models, but if it's additional, of course, to select it here. And if you don't know, just select your own device if you've tested it on your own device. Now let's add the ingredients. That would be, well, I'm not really good with recipes, so I'll just make something up. Let's do 400 grams of tomato puree. Then let's click on enter and enter another thing, which is going to be 1 tablespoon of let's do oregano. As you can see, I've added a few ingredients. Now let's add the first preparation step. That would be let's do a chop, and then we can add an ingredient by selecting ingredient, and then 2 garlic cloves. Let's do chop 2 garlic cloves, add, and now let's do the cooking setting. It will be, you can do manual or modes out of the available pre-made modes. I'll do manual, then let's do 20 seconds without temperature on, let's do 6th speed. Then I'll do add. You can put it in a next step, of course, so that would be like split to more steps. So yeah, it's up to you, honestly. I'll do the second step, which is going to be add, and then I'll do the ingredient, which is going to be olive oil. Add and simmer. Add, and let's do the cooking settings. Let's do 3 minutes, temperature 60, or let's do yeah, let's leave it on 60 and do the speed of 1. Now I've made this recipe. I don't know if it'll actually make the tomato sauce because I haven't tried it, but yeah, I added all the steps. I did use the pre-made mode blend, which is a cool mode because it gradually increases the speed. And yeah, I did all of that. Now I could, there's options, you can change the order, but I'll just confirm that. And then I'll click on done. I could add tips there. And now if I want to use it, I should go to my Thermomix and click on the 3 lines in the top left corner. Now go to My Recipes, Created Recipes, and wait until it loads my created recipe. Then I can select it. And now I could start cooking. Let's try it. Let's see how it works. Okay, as you can see, it says this recipe is not an official FAWEC recipe, so follow the general safety instructions and carefully monitor the cooking process to avoid injury. Now let's go further. Chop 2 garlic cloves at 20 seconds. So you just put 2 garlic cloves, and then you can click on that, and it'll automatically set it for you. That's great. Now let's go further. Yeah, I need to click. Then add 2 tablespoons and so on. I could also click here. Clicking here will also result in setting the settings automatically for me. Then if I want to add 400 grams, then I can simply click on that, and you can see it'll show me the needed ingredients and it'll enable the scale. So I can add 400 grams, and if I had something else in grams later, like let's say olive oil, 20 grams of olive oil, I could click on tare. Then it will tare it. I would add 20 grams and then continue, right? So that is also great. Now and I could click on blend, and you can see it will automatically enable the mode. Then let's go further, and I can also select that and it would do it. So that is also a great thing. Now I'll finish, and that's how it works. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.